Will resetting my Virgin Remote Control erase all of my saved settings?
In this video, we'll answer the question, will resetting my Virgin Remote Control erase all of my saved settings? We'll discuss how to reset your Virgin Remote Control and the consequences of doing so.
What happens when I reset my Virgin Remote Control?
Resetting your Virgin Remote Control is a way to troubleshoot any issues you may be experiencing with your remote. However, it's important to understand the implications of resetting your remote before proceeding. When you reset your Virgin Remote Control, all of your saved settings will be erased. This includes any customizations you've made, such as volume settings or input preferences. You'll need to reprogram your remote and set up your preferences again after the reset.
How do I reset my Virgin Remote Control?
Follow these steps to reset your Virgin Remote Control. 1. Turn off your TV and any connected devices. 2. Press and hold the clear and TV buttons on your remote simultaneously. Keep holding these buttons until the LED light on the remote blinks twice. 3. Enter the reset code 999. The LED light will blink twice again, indicating that the remote has been reset.
What should I do after resetting my remote?
After resetting your Virgin Remote Control, you'll need to 1. Reprogram your remote to control your TV and other devices. Consult your remote's user manual or the Virgin website for instructions on how to do this. 2. Adjust your settings and preferences. Since the reset process erases all of your saved settings, you'll need to set up your preferences again. In conclusion, resetting your Virgin Remote Control will indeed erase all of your saved settings. Make sure to reprogram your remote and reconfigure your settings after the reset.